Hi, we need to talk. You know how YouTubers will sometimes make these videos with really clickbaity titles like, I quit, and then somewhere around 9 minutes into this 10-minute video that you've been watching because you really want to know why they're quitting YouTube, they finally say, what I meant by I quit is I quit smoking, or something like that, right? It's obnoxious. I kind of wish that this was one of those videos. Unfortunately, it's not. There is truth in the title of this. Things are changing around here. And it's not the changes I would hope to make necessarily. Maybe it's not the changes you hope to make. Maybe you're hoping that we fail here, that this channel is a complete failure. But things are changing. I don't want to waste your time with a 10-minute video. I'm not sure how long this is going to be. This is unscripted. But I'll give you the Cliff Notes version up front. Things are changing. My commitment to the channel is specifically what's changing. This is a one-man show. It's just me. I don't have money to pay a videographer or a video editor or anything. I don't have any of that. It's a one-man show, and I don't have the ability to do this anymore at the rate that I've been doing it. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean I'm quitting? No, right now I don't think so. I do not want to stop making videos because I enjoy this. I really, really enjoy this. It just cannot be a priority for me anymore because I just need to put my priorities elsewhere. You'll see less of me, fewer videos. You'll see perhaps lower quality videos. When I say quality, I mean specifically the cinematography quality, because it takes a lot of time and effort to make a really good quality video, especially when you don't have somebody holding the camera, somebody manning the camera constantly. Everything's pretty much just single point of view shots. Anyway, I digress. That's basically what's changing. You'll see less of me. I have less commitment to this channel because I just can't keep doing it the way I have been. Now here's the long version. I'll try not to be too long-winded about this, but for those of you who are interested, I think it's probably valuable to share this with you. 3 years ago, kind of on a whim, I decided I was going to make a video for YouTube that I thought might be helpful. I had experience building stuff out of carbon fiber. I had been, as a career, designing composite structure for the aircraft industry. I was one of the engineers that helped design composite structure for the Stratolaunch aircraft, the world's largest airplane, 385-foot wingspan. It was a really fun project for the most part. So I had this experience as a hobbyist building carbon fiber parts. I had this experience as a professional engineer designing carbon fiber parts. I thought, I've got something valuable that I can share with the world because of this experience that I have. I created a 30-minute video teaching how to make carbon fiber parts without a vacuum pump because I wanted to gear it towards the beginner, explain everything, be really detailed, make it useful for somebody who's just starting out and doesn't want to invest all of the money in the world into this new hobby. Most people, when they post their first video on YouTube, you expect maybe your mom is going to watch it and 2 other people. I did something right because this video exploded. As of the time of filming this, that first video on my channel has almost 700,000 views. More than I ever imagined it would. And as I saw the numbers climbing, I thought, I've got something here. I did something right. I'm not sure what it is, but there is something in this space and I can capitalize this and I can help some people. I wanted to go full-time on this because I thought if I go full-time, I can help more people because I can put more time into it. And so I started researching ways that I could make money with this YouTube thing. And it was fun. And I started out with Amazon Associates. That was the first attempt that I had at monetizing. If you're not familiar, that means that I put links to the materials and tools that I use in the description of the video. And if you purchase through that link, purchase anything honestly through those links, then at no additional cost to you, Sasquatch Composites makes a small commission on that sale. It's a few percent. And between that and YouTube ads, that's been the primary source of income for this channel for the last couple of years. In 2021, just for the sake of transparency, I made about $580 between the two of those things for this channel. But the Holy Grail, oh, by the way, all that money is basically, for the most part, it's pretty much all just being dumped back into the channel for materials, for things, just so I can keep making videos. But the Holy Grail of income for something like this for YouTubers is generally speaking, it's an online course of some kind. Make much more money for each sale. It makes sense. It takes less maintenance, fairly low maintenance, and it just works, right? That's the idea. That's what I was told. Well, I spent 1.5 years building an online course, teaching how to make your first dollar in composites. The goal of the course was to help people who are fairly new go from nothing to having a product that they could then sell, not as a full-time business, because I can't teach you how to do that because I haven't done that. But what I can show you is what I have done, which is take something that's a hobby and start to use a business mindset and create a product that you can and have fun making, and also use that to help supplement your hobby so that your hobby isn't costing you tons of money. I made several $1,000s with a carbon fiber product that I made, and I'll walk you through the process of how I did it and the mistakes that I made and what you learned from it. Well, it's a tremendous amount of work to make a video or to make a course like that, more than I ever anticipated. It took me 1.5 years. That's why I wasn't posting a lot of videos on the channel. It's because I was putting all my effort into that. And at the end of that, all of that, it flopped. I had it up for sale for 2 months and I did not make a single sale. Not one sale on that course. Now, I'm not sure what I did wrong. There are a lot of reasons it could be. I followed, if you know who Flynn is, internet business guru, really smart guy. I believe that he's honest. I believe he's really trying to help people. I followed his steps to a T, his instructions on how to build a course, and it failed. I'm not sure exactly why. So at that point, I said, I'm at a crossroads. I need to make a decision. I've been working for 3 years, 4 to 6 nights a week. After my day job, after my kids are in bed, I'd plow through making videos, editing videos, doing all this stuff, and it was a ton of work. And to be honest, I was tired. And what's more, my wife was tired. It's been a long journey. It's been hard, and it was time for a change. So I made the excruciating decision of putting everything on hold for this channel. For 2 months, roughly, I didn't even come in my shop. I was fighting with depression for a number of reasons. Still not 100% sure I can pinpoint it, but it was tough. And if any of you have ever experienced depression, I can tell you, I don't recommend it. It's not fun. It's more than just, you need to put a smile on your face and move forward. It's hard. It's debilitating. I'm coming out of it. Things are looking a lot better, but it's been hard. And I'll tell you that I needed to be home more. I need to be present in the life of my family more. And that need is ongoing. It's time for some change. So here's what it's going to look like moving forward. I don't anticipate that I'm going to quit, but I do not commit to anything. For those of you who are Patreon supporters, thank you so much for all you've done to support this channel. That is, I forgot to mention it earlier, that is another one of the large portions of the support that comes into this channel, and thank you so much for that. You're welcome to keep contributing if you'd like to. If you don't want to, that's fine, because I'm not going to commit to anything right now. And I understand if you don't want to keep supporting something that's not willing to make a commitment to you. But I do plan to keep making videos. I have a new video coming out soon. I built a carbon fiber PC. So if you're interested in that, keep an eye out for that. Subscribe. The kayak is not dead. The carbon fiber kayak is still in the works. I'm designing it right now in the other room. Fighting with Fusion 360, trying to learn this software because it's not easy. But that's still in the works, and that's probably going to be the next chunk of content for this channel. Now for the question. Here's what I want from you. I need your help. I've got this course that I built. I think it's valuable. I think it's useful. I think there's some really good information in this course. And it has the power to really help some people. I don't know what to do with it. I clearly failed at selling it. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but I think it's going to be useful for some people. I really believe that. So if you have ideas for what I could do with the content of that course, let me know. I could throw it up on here on the YouTube channel. I could post a video a week and it'll help me with the YouTube algorithm. But what worries me is that it's going to make it so that those who are not interested in selling the stuff they make, they just want to learn how to make stuff. They're going to be kind of alienated because that's going to be the majority of the content for the channel for a while. And it might mess with the YouTube algorithm a little bit if I'm just posting stuff about businessy marketing and product development stuff versus just how to build carbon fiber parts. So let me know what you want. You guys, you're the ones who are watching this video. You're my core audience. You're the ones that I care about the most, because if you're willing to take the time to watch this, then I care about you and you care about me. And you're the ones I want to help. So what would be most helpful for you? Are you interested in this course? Would you like to have it? I'm offering it basically for free because I don't know what else to do with it. So if you got ideas, let me know. Anyway, this is already getting a little long-winded, but thank you so much for being here. You are the reason this has gone on this long. I appreciate you. I don't want to quit. I just need to readjust priorities, and you'll see a little bit less of me. And maybe one day things will change again, and I'll start to do this with more vigor again. But thank you for being here. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. You are the reason I'm here. So thank you. And I will see you on the next video.